For thousands of years, indigenous tribes have been implementing sustainable practices that not only show heritage but also respect for nature. How can millennials appreciate the way of our indigenous people so that they are also encouraged to take care of our planet?
Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are celebrating the 173rd anniversary of La Union. And I've seen how much our indigenous tribes preserved our nature. And now we are saying it. We are celebrating it. And as an advocate of Greenpeace movement, ang pagbabago ko para sa kalikasan, I am here not just to combat environmental issues, but also to focus on raising awareness to the youth for seminars and campaigns, and by that we will be able to encourage them to participate and open their minds and eyes that our indigenous tribes are able to preserve what we have now and what we are appreciating now. And with that, I wanted to preserve not just our environmental but also the talents of La Union or the Ilocanos, for showing how creative and talented they are for using their resources, for using what is abundant to them, like bamboo weaving. For that, we are able to promote it not just locally but also internationally. And with that, I wanted not just to preserve the nature but also for the youth to be involved, for them to transform their minds and open their eyes so that we could see that the youth is really the hope for our nation.
Great words coming from Sophie.